Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving, and I wanted to thank those that left a happy Thanksgiving message for me on the channel. That was very sweet of you. And yeah, we're fixing to eat, and I also wanted to give an update on the railways. So enjoy your day, and then tomorrow hit those sales. And it looks like the rail strike will happen earlier than expected. I will post the link down below. So enjoy your day, enjoy your family, and yeah, prepare for whatever is going to happen. So we're having a little turkey, some angel eggs, some deviled eggs, Polish roses, mashed potatoes and gravy, green bean casserole, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and we have a pie in the refrigerator. And I think I remembered everything. I always feel like I'm forgetting something. So anyways, you all take care, you stay safe. I hope you've had a lovely day, enjoyed family, friends, your pets, whatever your Thanksgiving is. I hope it was everything you wanted it to be. Enjoy today to the fullest. So you all take care, and I will see you in the next video.